If you're searching for a simple way to keep your floors spotless, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll help you discover the best floor mop for home, making cleaning easier and more effective than ever. Number 1. Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop. The Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop stands out as an excellent option for homeowners who prefer to clean and sanitize their floors without relying on harsh chemicals. It's particularly effective at eliminating up to 99.9% of germs and bacteria using the natural power of steam, making it a favorite for families with children and pets. This mop features a 12-inch cleaning path width, which allows users to cover a generous area in a single pass. Its flip-down easy scrubber is a standout feature, designed to tackle tough, sticky messes with ease, especially those that tend to accumulate in kitchens or high-traffic zones. The Smart Set digital steam control lets users customize the steam output, offering high, medium, or low settings depending on the cleaning task at hand. Ready to use in just 30 seconds, it's a time saver for busy households. The mop's swivel steering and long 23-foot power cord provide excellent maneuverability, making it simple to clean around furniture and into tight spaces. Included in the package are a microfiber soft pad, a scrubby pad, 2 Spring Breeze fragrance discs for a light, pleasant scent, and a carpet glider, extending the mop's versatility. With a powerful 1,500-watt motor, it's more than capable of handling daily messes and deeper cleans alike. The corded power source ensures consistent steam production, so there's no downtime mid-clean. Overall, the Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop offers a reliable and convenient cleaning solution for sealed hard floors, striking a balance between performance and ease of use. Number 2. Bissell SpinWave Hard Floor Expert. For homeowners seeking a mop that takes the elbow grease out of floor cleaning, the Bissell SpinWave Hard Floor Expert is a worthwhile contender. This corded spin mop is designed to handle the scrubbing for you, thanks to its powerful dual spinning pads. It's safe to use on sealed hard floors, including wood, tile, and linoleum, and effectively tackles tough, sticky messes without damaging the surface. The on-demand spray feature is a thoughtful addition, allowing users to dispense Bissell's cleaning formula exactly where it's needed with the press of a button, making stain targeting easier than ever. Maneuvering this mop is a breeze, courtesy of its lightweight frame and swivel steering, which allow it to glide effortlessly around furniture legs, tight corners, and baseboards. The package includes 6 reusable, machine-washable mop pads and 3 trial-size cleaning solutions, so you're well-equipped for multiple cleaning sessions right out of the box. Another standout feature is its consistent, powerful scrubbing motion that ensures a thorough clean without user fatigue. It's particularly appreciated in households with pets and kids where quick cleanups of daily messes are a constant necessity. While it lacks steam sanitization, its spin action and targeted spray functionality make it highly efficient at lifting grime and restoring shine to hard floors. Ideal for routine floor care and tackling the occasional stubborn spill, the Bissell SpinWave Hard Floor Expert delivers professional-grade cleaning results with minimal effort, making it a valuable addition to any home cleaning toolkit. Number 3. Steam Cleaner Floor Steamer. The Steam Cleaner Floor Steamer impresses with its versatility and powerful performance, making it an all-around floor cleaning tool for modern households. Suitable for nearly all types of flooring, including hardwood, tile, laminate, stone, and grout, this steam mop simplifies the removal of everyday stains and spills. One of its key advantages is how quickly it dries the cleaned area, leaving no water stains or excess moisture, a feature highly valued in busy homes. This mop's multifunction handheld steam cleaner capability, complemented by up to 11 accessories, is where it truly shines. It allows for seamless transition between floor cleaning and tackling tasks like steaming clothing, cleaning glass, scrubbing stoves, and more. Its adjustable steam settings, controlled via a simple knob, let you customize the intensity for different cleaning scenarios, whether a delicate hardwood floor or a heavily soiled tile surface. The large, removable 450 milliliters water tank ensures up to 45 minutes of continuous use, reducing the hassle of constant refilling during extended cleaning sessions. Reaching a temperature of 260 degrees Fahrenheit, the steam penetrates grime and grease effortlessly, achieving a 99.9% sanitation rate without any added chemicals, making it safe for children and pets. Its quick 20-second heat-up time adds to its convenience, enabling on-the-spot cleaning as needed. Offering both floor care and multi-surface cleaning capabilities, This steam cleaner appeals to those seeking a reliable, chemical-free cleaning option for their entire home. Number 4. Shark Steam Mop. The Shark Steam Mop introduces a fresh, innovative approach to steam mopping by combining 3 essential functions: pickup, scrubbing, and sanitizing into one streamlined device. It's designed to simplify your cleaning routine by picking up wet, dry, and stuck-on debris as you mop, eliminating the need to sweep beforehand. The mop's motorized brush roll and powerful steam output deliver twice the stain cleaning efficiency of traditional steam mops, effortlessly breaking down stubborn grime and dried spills. Another highlight is the self-cleaning brush roll, which continuously removes dirt, debris, and hair, ensuring you're not redepositing messes as you clean. This unique feature means you'll never have to clean with a dirty mop pad again, enhancing overall hygiene. The Shark Steam Mop offers chemical-free sanitization, using only water to eliminate up to 99.9% of common household bacteria, a plus for eco-conscious and health-minded families. Its no pre-sweep required function is a real time saver, particularly in homes with children or pets, where quick cleanups are frequent. The mop's swivel steering and lightweight build make it easy to maneuver, reaching under furniture and into corners without strain. It works especially well on sealed hard floors and is ideal for tackling everything from everyday dust to more stubborn kitchen spills. The combination of debris pickup, stain scrubbing, and steam sanitizing makes the Shark Steam Mop a comprehensive, efficient, and user-friendly solution for maintaining spotless floors with minimal effort. Number 5. ScrubWiz Steam Mop Cleaner. The ScrubWiz Steam Mop Cleaner is a powerful and versatile steam cleaning tool designed for those who want a safe, efficient, and chemical-free solution for their home. Heating up in just 10 seconds, it generates high-pressure steam reaching temperatures up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit, capable of swiftly breaking down dirt, grease, and stubborn stains. This mop features 2 adjustable steam modes, allowing you to tailor the steam intensity based on the surface and level of grime. What truly sets the ScrubWiz apart is its 10-in-1 multi-purpose accessory kit, which extends its use far beyond floors. The attachments enable you to tackle cleaning tasks on windows, clothing, kitchen appliances, sofas, and even cars, providing excellent versatility. Its 350 milliliters water tank offers a generous runtime for uninterrupted cleaning, while the adjustable mop head angle and detachable extension pipes make it easy to reach under furniture and into awkward spaces. The 4-meter power cord gives you ample reach without frequently switching outlets. This mop is designed with user convenience in mind, featuring a transformable design that allows it to convert from a long steam mop to a short handheld cleaner as needed. Importantly, it uses only water, eliminating the need for chemical cleaners, which makes it safe for homes with children and pets. The ScrubWiz Steam Mop Cleaner is a smart, reliable choice for homeowners looking for a comprehensive, multifunctional cleaning tool that's powerful, easy to use, and environmentally friendly. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.